Hey guys, Mike here. Just out in the backyard doing a few things, getting ready for my party. I wasn't going to put the camera on, but I thought why not? It's all stuff that you might find amusing. So I've painted the frame on the toilet. I'll give it another coat because that's quite thin still. And I've got a problem with a water pipe over here that I'm in the middle of digging up, so you might get a laugh of me getting all muddy over there, so I'll take you over and show you what I'm doing. So this is the fun I'm having at the moment. So this water pipe comes from the laundry in there. So it comes, the water just washes through, it doesn't go through a septic or anything. And originally it would have gone down there and into a soakage pit. And I think actually that's what the snake holes are. So-called snake holes anyway, because I think that they may actually be part of the soakage pit, so not snakes after all, and the holes may have just been where dirt has washed down in between the rocks. So what I'm doing, I'll tell you what I did. So the pipe had come apart here where that silver paint is, silver tape. So I thought, oh beauty, I just need to tape that back together and the water will run down there. Nah, wrong. So that pipe's blocked obviously, or whatever's going on down the other end. So when I taped that up and ran some water through, it found a little hole here. You can see it's not very far underground, but see it's got a little hole just there, and it's split from whatever reason, coming through with a wheelbarrow throwing bits of timber down. Probably it was thrown when I was throwing bits of timber down from like the scrap timber. So I'm digging this up, and this is where Lily was having a ball the other day, playing in the mud. So we're going to have a marquee going over this area, so I've got to do something. Can't have people coming in and stepping in a slush pit like that. So I'm just in the middle over here of digging this pipe up. Let's see how far it goes, and then hopefully what I'm thinking is I'll be able to clear a blockage out of that pipe, dig it down a bit deeper and put it back in, and the water should go down and around all the rocks there. So that's the plan. And while I'm doing that, we've got another job on the go, very important job over here. We've got a bit of a circle marked out there. That's going to be our bonfire spot, so Julie's going to throw some rocks down there and we'll dig a bit of a hole in there, and that's for our bonfire. So we've got all the timber there cut up, ready to throw on the bonfire, and we got some scrap stuff there that we may do something with, or we'll just stack it up neatly by the fence. Not really a big drama. So apart from that, we've got a nice big spot here now for the marquee. Okay, so that was a success. We fixed up the drainage pipe and we shouldn't have any more problems with it. We did just duct tape up the holes in the PVC pipe, but that's all going to get changed soon. We've got to get a plumber in and get this house hooked up to the main sewers, so that'll all get just dug up and thrown in the bin. So yeah, we've got that working. Julie's gone and got our little bonfire pit sorted, and we've raked up most of the rubbish, weeds and rocks and things laying around. So we'll just go through a few wheelbarrow loads out to the trailer and it'll all be schmick ready for my party on Saturday. So I'll put this video up just for you to have a bit of a look at, but it's not really got much content to it. But yeah, you might enjoy seeing it. Anyway, I'll do that, and then I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.